So finally, Samsung has started rolling out the stable update of One UI 6.1 for many of its devices, which is a big good news for Samsung users. So make sure to watch this video till the end, because I'll be giving you complete information in today's video. Also, please give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hello friends, my name is NeuroZapTune, and you're watching our YouTube channel. Let's begin today's video. So friends, from 7th April, Samsung has started releasing the stable update for the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Z Flip 6, and S24 series in South Korea. In addition, the update was rolled out in some other countries on 10th April. However, when Samsung initially rolled out the update, some major issues appeared, especially with the lock screen and home screen. To fix these bugs, Samsung temporarily paused the update. Now the issues in that update have been fixed, and Samsung mentioned that the update would resume soon. Finally, the update has now started rolling out again for the Z Fold 6, Z Flip 6, and S24 series, S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. Wherever the updates were initially released, such as South Korea, Italy, and a few other countries, users have started receiving them. Now talking about India, we're expecting to get the stable update between 21st to 26th April for the Z Fold 6, Z Flip 6, and the S24 series. As for the rest of the update list, most flagship devices have been scheduled for May. Samsung is likely to roll out more updates soon, especially since testing for One UI 8.0 has already started. Yes, friends, One UI 7.1 has been cancelled, and the next version will be One UI 8.0, expected to launch in July or August. So updates for all Samsung devices are going to roll out very soon. If any more information or updates come out, you'll find it right here on our channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video.